unboxing time again, and this is once more from the Americas, because I won another giveaway from the wonderful Arbitrary Hero. Seriously, more of you guys need to enter these competitions so I'm not winning all the time. In fact, no, don't subscribe, don't enter the competitions, just let it be me, because no, you can't have my box, it's my box. But let's see what's in here. I already know, but let's look anyway. I was just getting that itch. No, it's mine, you can't have. I was just getting that itch to try and buy something, and I know we can't afford it at the minute, so... Right, let's have a look. Ooh, it's this weird papery packaging. And it is... Try not to get my little one's face on the screen. Is this Age of the Primes? No, Studio Series, Gamer Edition, whatever it is. Ironhide, looking really sorry for himself. There he is. You know what? Oh, there's his arm. I saw the shoulder pad and I didn't see the arm. I was like, where's his arm got? Oh, it's there, sorry. You know what? I actually really like the look of this. Like, I wasn't sold on Iron Ratchet, because apart from anything, I was very worried in a couple of years it's going to be about 7 different variations of yellow. But this guy actually looked really cool, and to get him for free, I ain't going to complain. So, thank you yet again. This is what, the 4th, 5th thing I've won from Arbitrary Hero? I think there's Buzzworthy, Rise of the Beast Prime, Legacy Strong Arm, Studio Series Hatchet, and Wolf Cybertron Ironhide. I don't have many Ironhides. This will be cool, I'm enjoying it. I'm going to look forward to this. I'm going to shut up because I want to go play. So, subscribe to Arbitrary Hero, enter more of his giveaways, and if you don't want it, just send it to Ugly, alright? He's got my address, it's fine. Okay, bye-bye then.